Coming live from Merida, Mexico. This is Amputee Adventures. Well, buenos dias, everybody. Let's roll out here. Today I'm going to go to the Korean Grill and Ice Cream. Uh-oh. Bus, hold on. So yeah, I'm going to go out to Korea Grill and Ice Cream. It's rated number 2 out of 8,120 different restaurants here in Merida. So I've ate there before, and yeah, they are fantastic. I did a video before, but I'm going to do another one just to make sure I wasn't biased. But yeah, so let's head out. So we're here at Korean Grill and Ice Cream. It's my friend Nicole, and she got the ramen, and that looks pretty good. And then I got the bulgogi with all the fixins. And I've had this before, and I know how it tastes, but so I can smell it. It's yummy, so I'm gonna dig in. So here we go. Please like, comment, and subscribe. I appreciate all your support and all your comments. And if you would like, buy me a taco. Have a great day.